And then the roof was done. Welcome to Lorrie's world. When we got back, we discovered that this place had a lot of issues. The roof turned out to be much worse than we expected, and they ended up tearing off way more than they expected to tear off. At one point, it was literally open to the sky. And then the weather decided to join the party, and we ended up dealing with gale force winds while they were up on the roof. They moved fast, though. They ripped everything back to what was solid. They weren't able to salvage hardly any of the decking. And I'll tell you what, watching it open up like that, was a little bit unsettling. But they just kept on going, even through the rain and the wind and the storm. And before long, they had the whole place put back together. So the roof is looking pretty fabulous, but there is one more step, and that is the gutters. So they're here today to put those on, and I'm going to show you a little bit about that process, and then we'll talk about finishing the roof. My goodness, look at the size of that thing. This sucker's huge. My goodness.
¿Ha dado vuelta arriba? Sí. ¿Le damos vuelta acá, no? ¿Cada vuelta, no?
That's one long piece of piping. That must be for the back, eh?
That's the short one.
Yeah, that's the back one. A long piece of metal, for sure.
Jeez. Who is it?
Yeah. Look at how big them gutters are, baby. They're giant. It's amazing how quiet it is out here now, after it's been so noisy for 3 days. Look at how beautiful our new roof is. We knew this wasn't going to be easy, but it was something that had to be done. And now at least we have a solid roof, and the house smells better, so much better already. There's still lots to do: electrical, plumbing, floors, and lots more surprises, I'm sure. But there's one more step done, and we're making it through one step at a time.